In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your Snapchat streaks emoji to any emoji you want. The process for doing this is the same for all devices, so you can follow along on any platform. But before we go ahead, leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. But anyway, let's get right into how to do this. So, first you need to open up your Snapchat app on your device and obviously be logged in. Once you're here, just open up your profile by pressing on your Bitmoji at the top left of the screen. And when your profile loads, just go to the cog icon at the top right of the screen and the settings will load. Now, scroll down until you see additional services and press manage just under this section, and a few options will pop up from here. But what we want to press on is friend emojis. And from here, we have the option to change emojis for every relationship status that you have on Snapchat. And if you want to change the streaks emoji, just go down and tap on the snap streak option. And as you can see, we can change the emoji to any emoji we want. And I'm just going to choose this one. But yeah, you can do this with the BFF and Super BFF as well. But that's how you change your Snapchat streak emoji. If you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'll try and help you out. But if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe as it helps to get this video out to more people. And don't forget to let me know in the comments if this is still working. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.